What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am working with Haha Hair off of Amazon, and they sent me this unit. I'll go ahead and put the details in the description and on the screen so you guys can see. Wow, this is moving incredibly fast. I did this video like early in the morning / late at night, so I couldn't talk because everybody in my house was asleep, but you know the drill. This is what the knots look like. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. I decided not to bleach this unit because I was being lazy, so all I did was put makeup on the lace and just keep watching to see how it turned out.
Next to you, I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're right, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay.
This is gonna be my first time ever wand curling my hair. I'm using the Bedhead TGI Friday wig. TGI Friday. I'm using the Bedhead TG wand curler. I just got this today from Ulta. It feels hot. It only has an off and on switch. Is this too big? So she said hold it at a diagonal.
Wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around.
I did it. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Okay, so I need to get closer to the root. Maybe I'll do a diagonal going upward.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day.
So I did wand curls on my hair for the first time ever. Like, first time ever using a wand curler. I think they turned out cute, if I do say so myself.
I wanna kiss you, yeah.